In this lecture, I'm going to talk about how to install MinGW64 on Windows 10. First, what is MinGW? MinGW is a minimal version of Linux command line. Actually help you to run Linux code on your Windows. So GW, I think, is Windows. And it's a GNU tool that running on Windows. So MIN means minimal, and G means GNU, W means Windows, and 64 means 64-bit. And today we are going to install it, but we are going to use this tool called Msys2. Msys2 is a collection of tools and library provide you easy to use environment for building and installing and running native Windows software. And actually it has this CY Win and different things. I don't go into the details. And basically it is a tool to help us to install those Linux-like tool on your Windows environment. And basically it is a little bit like pip install. If you have ever used Python tool, it is an installer that will help you to do the installation. So first, you need to go to this website called Msys2. And then there are two locations you need to take care of. One is the package side. The other one is installer. So let's go to the website. So this is the website. And here you have the so this is the website, and here has the listing for the pre-built package. So these has a lot of package that you can install. So click here, you will see the different package. And today we are going to install GCC. So you do search, and then search for GCC, and you will have 3 versions. We are going to install this last version, the MinGW64-GCC version. Don't install the other 2 versions. We would also install the GDB, the debugger tool. And again, we are going to install this MinGW64-GDB package. And then we may also install the Mac tool. And Mac tool is a famous built-in tool. And here we would actually install this this so-called, let's see here, MinGW64-Mac. So click this one, okay? So these are the tools we are going to install. So first, let's actually get started to install the system. So here, let's actually click the installer, this one. And you will download. So here that I would like to download to a new location. So how about here actually in my tab level, here actually I would put into this GNU Win. Let me see. Okay, this one's good. So let me actually save to here. So you start to do downloading. And wait for a few seconds. So once the tool has been downloaded, you do open. You will say Windows Protect PC don't run, and you just do more information and run anyway. And you print out the Msys2 64-bit do next. So here you have C:/Msys64. I will click next to install. This default directory will be good. And then here has start menu shortcut. So we start to do installation. So we will wait a while, and then we will start to qualify it. Something I need to mention is, in order to install it, I create a pacman.txt file. And these are the commands acceptable by this Msys2 tool. So here I have prepared it. And very important is here we want to have -- disable download timeout to make sure the installation won't break by the timeout. So let's wait for it, and we will do it after the installation is completed. So this one is a tool similar to the pip install, and it will bring in a lot of package that's available in this system, and usually it's mimicking the function in Linux. So you can do search for the different tool here. So maybe some other language, like Ada language, or if you are interested in the Fortran, there are several tools you can try. Grip, I think grip is also very important. So you can actually look at. Okay. So these are some tools on Linux. If you need it, you can try to get these. So let's wait until the installation is completed. So before we wait, actually while we are waiting for it, let's do this. So here, this is a MinGW64 ecosystem. I installed it in C drive. You can change to different drive. And the directory for that Msys2 will be here, and all of the MinGW will be under it. So my installation will end up this MinGW64 to be under this Msys2, okay? And we will get the path from there. And then here, if you need some further information, here is one website. So you can actually go to there. So this is a website including building the library and set up the environment, all kind of information related to MinGW64. And these are the packages that I talked about. We will install today, the GCC, GNU C compiler, a collection of compiler, and the debugging tool, and the Mac files. Okay, now the installation is done. Let's run for it. So it bring up this window, Linux-like window. So I think that Msys2 is to mimic the Linux system. So I do ls, find my file just like I'm in a Linux system. So over here, what I will do is actually do this pacman thing. So copy this pacman stuff that is a command like in you are working on the Linux. So put over here to actually pass it, and then hit enter. You'll start to actually install the package. Okay, look like I already has the MinGW64 or something. Okay, so after that is done, actually, let me see. Let's close the window, and then let me actually click again, and then let me find my directory. Let me try one more time to make sure the environment has been qualified. So here I go back to this so-called Msys2. Here we have this executable file that's actually run it. So putting up the shell again, I'm going to copy this command, pass over here, run it again. Now it's done, everything up to date, everything now is up to date. So now actually I'm going to install my, this one, MinGW64-bit GCC. So let me pass here and hit return. And proceed with installation, hit yes. So where do I got this command? Actually, you go to here, the base package. So I do search and I hit GCC, and this version is what I want to use. Click this one. And over here, there are several versions, and don't do this i686. Pick this x86 one, GCC, pick this one, click it, and you will see this Pacman stuff. So you copy here and paste down a file. And this disabled things need to be added at the end to prevent the break during the installation. So it's still installing. So let's wait. So here I have MinGW62. It's still there. 64 is over here. And there's a bin. And later we are going to look at this bin to see how many files are there. And we are going to use it. It takes a while, so be patient. Okay, it's done. Once it's done, let's actually do this one, installing the GDB debugging tool. Same thing, copy and paste over here, and hit return. And proceed with installation, hit yes. So this one, this Pacman file is very useful. I'm going to make this one available for you. You can download either from the link that I append within my installation guide, or if you need to have this one and it's not there, you can send email to me or contact me for this file. So now let's check the Min64 again. Look at the bin. It has more file now, so it's still ongoing, so I don't want to bother it, so let's get out. So now actually I can copy this Msys2, copy it, and then I actually can put into my development environment. And over here, I actually can pass as a shortcut. Okay, so here actually, let me change the name, Msys2. So here, that's actually change the name to Linux prompt. Okay, so Msys2 Linux prompt. So it will be a Linux prompt start. Okay. It is similar to MS-DOS prompt, and if you like the Linux environment, you can open it and run your PC like in the Linux environment. So that's the whole purpose of MinGW64. Today we install the GCC, GDB, and MIG is to develop our program. Okay, we are done with the GDB. So the last one, same thing, we copy from this Pacman file, put it over there. So the Pacman program is actually the installer, and Msys2 is the Linux-like prompt system. So here again, proceed with installation, click yes. Okay, we are done. We are done with the 3 tools. So let's actually finish this one up. Okay, we finished with these 3. Now the next thing is that I need to add the path to the system. So what I want to do is actually click this one, MinGW64, click bin, and then copy the address, and then right click on here, click setting. Over here, click advanced system. So you will see view advanced system settings. You click this one. Environment variable. And over here, you'll find the path. So actually, let's do editing. So here I have Python 64, different one. So here, let me new a new one and then pass that one over here and then click OK and click OK and then click OK. And then that's actually quit this one. Let's actually close this one, minimize this one. Let's minimize this one. Next one, I'm going to actually start a program. So actually here, let me actually close everything. Okay, so let me try first thing. Here I have those prompt, but I'm going to close it. So now I'm going to create a new project. So let me do new. And then here, let me do a C program. Very simple one. So do integer main. Okay. After you finish, you can actually save this file as let's find a directory for it. So I am going to find my C course. Inside my C course, I have this C programming essential, C development. Here I have different chapter. So let's actually do example code here. So let me see. It's probably not good for it. So let me see. Yeah, example code is okay. So here, let me actually create a new one. So here, let's do GCC example. So inside GCC example here, I'm going to actually create a new one. Create a directory called test1. Inside the test1, let me actually change this file to actually C source code file. And over here, let's name it as welcome. And save. So because the C file, so now it actually become a C color. You can change the language over here to match C language. So it's fine right now, okay? So let's actually try to bring up a window. Not this one. Let's actually use right click and then actually let's do right click and then file folder. Okay, now let me change to C drive and then go to the directory that I actually put my program in. So over here, and then see, I'm sorry, not this one. It would be this example code, GCC example, test1. Right over here, I hit the, we hit the window R key and then bring up the command line. And then over here, I actually do CD, change directory, and then come to the address bar, left click, right click, copy, come to this window, paste, hit return. So I'm here. So now I do GCC, welcome, C-O, and then welcome. So you compile and okay, so now I run welcome. Yeah, so here the program works. Now let me try a C++ program. So here I have another window. So here let me do include IO stream. And then here I say using namespace std semicolon. Here I do boy and man. Right here I do C out and then welcome to. Here I do welcome to GNU C++. Let me see here. Let me put MinGW64. At the end, let me put my enter there. Okay, now finish. So here I save as. Here is test1. So let me actually create another directory called test2. in this test2, let me actually put it as a C double cross file. So here it is not a .h file. So here I do welcome.cpp, it return. So now it's a CPP file. So let me go back to my GCC example, go down to test2. Here I have a GCC file. So now let's hit Window R again. Okay, actually I don't need this one, I'm sorry. I actually can do this one, right? Hit CD double tap to go back one level for the directory, and then CD test2, okay, dir. I have this welcome to CPP. So now let me actually stretch the window a little bit so I can see better. So here do G double plus, GCC for C compiler, G plus plus for C double plus compiler. So welcome.cpp-o welcome. Okay, these two are in different directories, so they won't fight each other. In return, so there is an error. Okay, it actually must be integer type. No problem. Right? Let's go back. Go back to here. So this one doesn't allow it to be void type. So that's actually to return 0. So let's save. Come back to here, redo it. So right here, I do G++, and then I hit tab T. I'm sorry. And then at the end, I do -O, and then compile to welcome file. Wrong welcome. Okay, good enough. So actually, I demonstrate how to install the MinGW64-bit, and MinGW64-bit is a simulator, and it's also a Linux prompt for your Windows system. And actually, that is, if you want to have a shell, you should go to your C drive and then go to use this one called Msys2, and it will bring up your Linux system. It's like a Linux system right here. I do not have any code over here. In principle, it's possible that actually I can build some directory as well. Okay, but I do not have time to work on this one. So now let's look at another thing. That's actually bring up my visual code. Okay. Before the Visual Studio code come up, let me try this one. Here, actually, I have my Notepad++. Let me see. Here, I have edit that. Here, I have wrong. So here, let me see. Here, let me see. Here, I have tool. Okay, here actually you can set up the setting for running in Notepad++ as well, but I don't think I would like to do it right now. Okay, the Visual Studio C++ bring up. Okay, so now let's actually see file. So this file actually, let me actually do cross editor. Okay, let me actually don't save. So this one close as well. Close this one as well. And actually open editor. So here test actually this one, let me actually no, not open editor. So here open editor. So here let me open a file. So here let me try C drive. So let me see. Let me try to open it over here and over here. Example code, GCC example test 1. Let me bring this welcome file over here. Okay, and then let's see. Let's do search. Let's do search for C++. And they are C++ extension recommended for this file type. So let's show recommendation. So here you have C++. So let's actually do this one. This is a C++ recommendation. So let's hit install. This one is in tethered sense. What's that for? Okay, I'm not sure this one's needed. So here, let's do another one. C++. Let me see. I'm not sure this is needed. So let's see if there is something called wrong code. Code runner. So here I'm going to install this code runner. Okay, go back to this one. So wrong code. Okay, it say welcome GCC to this. So there are some other way to run it, but at least I bring up this one. So let me actually close this file, close this file. Let's open another one. So go to this one, try test number 2. Bring up this welcome in the test number 2, okay? And this one, let me see. Okay, I have a code runner. And I don't need this compile thing, so let me see here. Let me also run the code for this one. Okay, so this is C++ also work over here. So there are some other way to actually change the compilation flag. And right here, I do not touch it. So I'm going to actually look at it later for the compilation flag. But up to here, I actually teach you how to install the Msys2 and also the MinGW package with GCC, GDB, make program, and also using the Notepad++ to design code and compile it, and also finally using this Visual Studio to run C and C++ program. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye now.